It is one.
Oh yeah, stay back here. Whoa.
What do we do?
Just stay here, you're fine.
It's gonna come at us.
No.
We're scared.
No, it's not. No, no, stay here.
I'm just moving out of the way of the cars.
It's gonna go that way.
How do you know?
Just
Oh God.
stay calm.
Oh my God. Jesus, please be with us.
Just.
Fuck. Oh my God, Keith.
You're okay. It's not doing anything. It's going past us. It's going to the right. It's going to be past in a second. See,
I told you it was one.
Whoa.
Oh dear Jesus. The roof just came off. Oh my God.
Okay, you're fine. It's already passed.
It's not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You're okay.
Oh no.
Okay, it's already going past. Just stay here.
Why are all these fucking cars coming at me? Should I go?
You should just stay here for a minute. We're not near any power lines or trees. It's already starting to clear up. Just don't go under those lines right there.
No, did you see the spark?
Alright, it's passed. Don't be texting the kids.
Why not?
They don't need to.
I don't know. It's
building coming this way.
okay. Yeah, maybe we should slow down and just let it go past us. Oh, it's gonna come and hit us. It's coming right now. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. Oh, get in the. Oh God, it's hitting us. Oh my God, look at the. Oh my God. Oh my God. The fence is gone.
A lot of shit's gone. Check this truck.
We're more than a mile north of where that tornado hit. Now, we haven't seen much of the damage ourselves because many of the roads are blocked off as first responders assess the damage and help the people out there. Now, the city's mayor estimates that a dozen homes and a dozen businesses were damaged. The Hobby Lobby and the Jimmy John's in town saw the brunt of the damage. 100 Consumers Energy crews were sent out to help, and while thousands of people got their power back overnight, more people are expected to get their power back on later this morning. 23 people with injuries from the tornado were sent to Otsego Memorial Hospital, and 21 other people were sent to other hospitals in northern Michigan. Governor Gretchen Whitmer was here earlier and she signed a state of emergency declaration. The mayor says multiple volunteers have stepped up to help first responders since the tornado struck. Now, so far, dozens of families have asked the American Red Cross for help after the tornado struck, and at 7:30, we'll share what the American Red Cross says about future disaster planning.